that nobody is coming to rescue you and you are entirely responsible for your choices, your mistakes, your successes. सबसे बात करो बिकॉज ये अपने साइलोज में मत रहो, अपने छोटे छोटे ये नहीं करना, सबसे बात करो. तो आंसू गिर रहे हैं, आंसू, and I was like, अब्बू don't say that, and he was like, नहीं बेटे, your mother and I have led very hectic lives. मेरी उर्दू में वो एक रवानी नहीं है, वरना अगर अंग्रेज़ी में आप मुझसे लिखवाना चाहें मुझे बहुत सारे पैसे देकर तो मैं लिख सकती हूँ. बट साहब when you look at Hollywood, वो इतना मजाक उड़ाते हैं अपनों का, इतना करते हैं. I mean I can't say all of those things on this family show, but this
family show.
मैं रील्स देखती हूँ 20-20 सेकंड की.
AI show me Meera Sethi book reels. I'm sorry, there are none.
स्लीवलेस पाया, दहशतगर्दी तो नहीं की थी. आपा is the best.
Alsano पता बिल्कुल.
ठीक है फिर तुसी मजीद पीछे जा रहे हो.
ख़वातीन और हज़रात, ये अक्सर हमारे साथ होता रहता है, मगर अब मैं क्या करूं. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Ahmed Ali Bhatt and you're watching Excuse Me. Very few times I talk about legacy, और मैं जब भी legacy की बात करूं इसलिए मुझे भी अंदाज़ा होता है कि legacy का weight आपके shoulders पे किस तरह होता है. लोग हमेशा आपको compare करते हैं. ख़ानदान में एक बंदा talented हो तो चांदनी हो जाती है, लेकिन अगर सारी talented हों तो आपको बेड़ा गर्क भी हो सकता है. Especially अगर मैं आज के हमारे मेहमान की बात करूँ, शी इज़ अ ब्रिलियंट एक्ट्रेस. आई थिंक वेरी अंडररेटेड. इनको ज़्यादा काम करना चाहिए. लिखाई बहुत अच्छी करती हैं, फेमिनिस्ट भी हैं, और माशाल्लाह जब बोलती हैं तो शी स्पीक्स अ माइंड. ज़ाहिर बात है जर्नलिज्म फैमिली से बिलोंग करती हैं, जहाँ अम्मा भी जब बोलती थी तो कहते थे वाह 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 वाह, लोग तारीफ़ें करते थे. अब्बा जब बोलते थे तो लोग कहते थे ए क्यों लगे. और माशाल्लाह जब इनके भाई बोलते हैं वो बोलते नहीं, वो गाते हैं, और जब वो गाते हैं तो आप कहते वाह. तो भाईजान इतना जब टैलेंट एक ख़ानदान में हो तो नाइंसाफ़ी तो होती है. और आज स्पेशली मेरी रिक्वेस्ट पे उन्होंने कहा कि ठीक है भट्ट साहब बैठते हैं, लेट्स टॉक. वी गोना टॉक अबाउट हर बुक ऑल्सो, वी गोना टॉक अबाउट हर एक्टिंग करियर ऑल्सो. प्लीज़ वेलकम आपकी छोटी सी भरपूर तालियों में मीरा सेठी. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
वाओ भट्ट साहब,
कैसे हैं?
बिकॉज ऑडियंस को नहीं पता. मैं ठीक हूँ, थैंक यू. इट्स वेरी हॉट इन लाहौर टुडे. बट ऑडियंस को नहीं पता कि आपने पहली इंट्रो में आपकी साउंड नहीं हुई और अब दूसरी इंट्रो उससे भी ज़्यादा अच्छी थी और वो सारा इम्प्रोवाइज था. सो यू वर बॉर्न टू डू दिस.
अच्छा, हाँ, चाय ला.
हाँ, चाय ला दे. थैंक यू.
अच्छा, माई वाइफ शी इज़ अ चाय गर्ल. चाय का फिर मुझे उन्होंने बताया कि रिचुअल होता है मेरे घर में ना, एक पूरा कि दम वाली चाय बननी चाहिए.
100%.
शी इज़ वेरी पर्टिकुलर.
मैं इलायचियाँ खोल के अपनी चाय में डालती हूँ, फिर दम देती हूँ, और फिर दूध बहुत कम होना चाहिए. तो ये बहुत अच्छी बनाई है आपने, थैंक यू.
ठीक है. द रीज़न व्हाई आई आस्क्ड दैट बिकॉज यू आर अ वेरी पर्टिकुलर पर्सन.
How could you tell, Bhatt sahab?
But you've always been like that.
As a child, I was kind of daydreamy. We were raised by our dadi. Parents were very busy working. So I was not particular. I was a bit lost. I was a very daydreamy child and did a lot of sports, was खेलती थी, sports बहुत करती थी. And I think I became particular जब मैंने थोड़ी तालीम हासिल कर ली. That's when I started developing taste and opinions.
Opinion औरत के पाकिस्तान में क्या मतलब है तुम्हारा? और ओपिनियन जब क्रिएट खैर यो ओपिनियंस अगर आप आई थिंक दैट रन्स फ्रॉम योर फैमिली.
Probably, yeah.
तो that'll be unfair to say कि भजन वो ये ना एप्पल डजंट fall far from
आपने कहा ना
the
अभी
tree.
जब आपने मेरी वालदा को इंट्रोड्यूस कराया और वालिद साहब का, तो आपने पास्ट टेंस में उनको इंट्रोड्यूस कराया. वो दोनों अभी तक अपने यूट्यूब पे अम्मी काम कर रही हैं. ऑफ कोर्स अबू हैज हिज शो. सो
लेकिन दोनों लंदन में बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, बड़े प्यारे लगते हैं.
व्हाट्स अप, आई विल शो देम दिस.
दिन मैं सेठी साहब को लास्ट में मिला था. आई वाज 3 years ago आई थिंक. आई वाज इन अ चैनल, ही वाज विजिटिंग, तो बस मेरे इस्लाम दुआ हुआ था और
ठीक.
he was busy at that time.
I see.
But yeah, people expect you. मतलब वो लोग कहते हैं कि अच्छा हाँ तो एक अचीवमेंट का एकदम जब भी आप कोई काम करते हैं ना, मुझे याद है मैंने जब एक्टिंग शुरू की थी nobody knew who I was.
Really?
किसी को नहीं पता था. जैन को पता था of course. मगर जैसे जैसे लोगों को पता लगना शुरू हुआ ना तो लोग कहते हैं अच्छा ये कौन है. तो जब वो पता लगता है ना तो कहते हैं ओह अच्छा. तो भाई मतलब नहीं होता कि एक तरह की सेंस ऑफ अप्रिसिएशन भी होती है, सेंस ऑफ डिसअपॉइंटमेंट भी होती है. हाँ यानी तो करना ही है ऐसी. डिड यू एवर फील दैट?
In what department? In what field?
Well, especially when you're writing. कि, oh, अच्छा. As a, oh, हाँ. मतलब that was expected because your mother is a writer, your father.
Yeah, I don't think. I don't really look at it that way, and also because I write fiction. मैं अफसाने लिखे हैं जो आपने पढ़े भी हैं, which was very nice of you. But my father is a journalist, so journalism is very different from fiction. I think because I create stuff, he reports on stuff, and of course he adds his opinion. But I think I developed this taste in college. So I went to college in Boston, so 12 miles west of Boston. और उधर मुझे शौक हुआ लिखने का. I went to an all-girls college, and it was very secluded. It was very beautiful.
All girls? I mean,
It was one of the few colleges I got into, and the best one. So I said, चली जाओ.
सारी लड़कियां होंगी चलो.
तो उससे पहले मैं boarding school में थी, वो भी all girls था.
Okay.
So I did want to be around boys. I really did, but it was not to be.
Can I have the spoon?
Yes, you may.
Thank you. But that was your first choice.
I mean, among the colleges I got into, yeah.
किस point पे discover हुआ था कि you have that flair?
For writing?
Yeah.
I think when I was doing my O-levels, I was a very bad student, and I've been very open about this because I was kind of a bit lost as a child. And then I was very good at writing and speaking. These were the only two things I was good at. So I remember maths, D's आते थे, physics तो मेरा इतना बुरा था कि the teacher begged me to drop it. And बाकी subjects maybe I was really doing badly. But the only subject I was good at was writing. My teacher would make me stand up and read my essays. So I could always tell a good story. I always also sought comfort in stories because stories have a beginning, a middle, and an end. And I felt very secure in a story. And so I've been writing since I was 16. And then when I went to college, I did a honors thesis in creative writing. तो करती चली गई मैं.
I've been very curious because I understand कि जब आपके दोनों parents बहुत ज़्यादा career oriented हों,
जी.
your childhood gets scattered somewhere in the
It
middle.
does.
So
आपके साथ था ये थोड़ा सा?
हाँ. मतलब देखें, because I come from a broken family also.
Okay.
So
I didn't know that actually.
अच्छा, my parents got separated when I was 13. Okay. But उससे पहले हम लोगों का ना एक organized सा structure होता था. I used to see my father जब मैं स्कूल से आता था because वो उस वक्त लेट दुकान पे जाते थे, उनका वो अपना ज्वेलरी का बिजनेस था.
Okay.
And my mother was a housewife, so we were very much closer to the mother side.
Got it.
अब्बा हजूर was like अब्बा हजूर वो जो हमारे typical
उस generation का जो
उस
distance
generation
होता
का
था,
वो
बिल्कुल.
अब्बा is अब्बा, तो वो वाला नहीं होता था. But later on in life, when my parents got separated, they both had their careers and everything and all that. Because we are mashallah 4 brothers.
Yeah.
So
You don't have a sister?
No. Why
Oh
not?
wow.
So हम लोग एक दूसरे की support बने थे.
ठीक.
Were you and Ali always close because the parents weren't around that much?
Yes, these are very good questions. We were very close because we have a 2.5 year age gap. So after school, we would go to Dadi Appa's house. Dadi Appa हम उनको कहते हैं because उनको सारे आपा कहते थे और दादी थी तो वो बन गई दादी आपा. तो दादी के घर जाते थे और उधर मेरी फुप्पो के बच्चे, अली, मैं, हम सब मतलब आमने सामने पैदा हुए हैं. So we were very close. अली को तो मैं लड़ाइयाँ भी बहुत होती थी. मुझे कहता था कि तू मुझे काटती थी. I was like क्या? अब मैंने सारा ये भुला दिया. But he was like, you used to bite me on my legs. So I was quite violent, I guess.
And you have that tomboyish feel, by the way.
Oh yeah, what does it mean to have a tomboyish feel?
I mean, okay, you don't. The first time I saw you, it was like almost 8-10 years ago, and there was like jeans or ये this and that, और एक वो नहीं होता, एक mannerism होता है कि एक औरत यूं खड़ी हुई है, एक होता है कि यूं है. So that's like that tomboy feel क्या हाँ यार हाँ this and that. तो यो और फिर एक होती है oh my god ये उतर please ये करवा.
हाँ मैं वो भी कर सकती हूँ, मैं करती भी हूँ लेकिन थोड़ी दूसरी settings में.
I think वो later on in life वो बंदे को आता है.
But you do it with
yeah.
with.
But my question was
Yes.
how was it? Where did you find that get the closeness with your parents? I'm sure that came at a very.
So I'll tell you the truth. My closeness with my parents, my real true closeness, I was saying this to my mother a few days ago. You know, it's really happened in the last few years, in the last 5 years, I would say, because life stuff has happened. I'm back in their home in a sense. And no, I am. And they've really been really just they've held space for me. कहते हैं ना अमेरिका में कि, are you holding space? They've held space, and they've held me also, and that's brought us really close. Before that, they were busy. They have been busy their whole lives. They've been outward facing, external facing, and as you said, career oriented.
But yeah,
and that's been wonderful in a really actually profound way, because children don't do what their parents say. Children do as their parents do. So seeing them confident, seeing them resilient, seeing them, because unki obviously that they have qualities that are maybe not so great, but the good ones are these. That I think that has given Ali and me both a lot of confidence, to be who we are in the world. So that's been nice. But closeness पिछले 5 साल में आई है, which has been really nice.
But you hold that against them sometimes?
No, because I think holding against is not how I would phrase it. I think when I was in my 20s and my 30s, जब किताबें पढ़नी शुरू की about childhood wounds and what they mean and how you're fundamentally formed by your childhood, I think I sort of asked them, where were you guys? And I mean, they were around, but they were just doing the Friday Times, जो उनका अखबार था जो उन्होंने साथ किया, which was I think wonderful for their relationship. And seeing them, seeing a couple have that between themselves. And I would go out and people would be like, आपके माँ बाप ये करते हैं, it's so amazing. तो वो उनका था, उनका baby था. But I've had conversations with them, and I have to say, over the last few years, both of them have been like, my dad actually said, I'm really sorry I was so busy. अभी उन्होंने मेरी पिछली सालगिरह पे कहा है. मैंने एक gratitude circle किया था अपनी पिछली सालगिरह में, which is again a very Gora thing to do, but we did it. And everybody had to go around saying things they were grateful for. And मेरे सारे दोस्त थे, हर जगह से आए हुए थे दुनिया से, और अम्मी और अब्बू. And Abu was like, I'm sorry, I was so busy. And it was a very sober moment because nobody had heard. It's a very personal, private thing. And he said it. And Ammi was like, yeah, I want to be there for you now. And mere aansu gir rahe hain, aansu. And I was like, Abu, don't say that. And he was like, nahi bete. Your mother and I have led very hectic lives.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
I think that's a burden because वही वाली बात होती है कि जब I can relate क्योंकि मैडम मतलब या तो एक औरत जब इतने अपने करियर के अंदर आगे चली जाती है और जब आप पूरी दुनिया आर एक्सपेक्टिंग दैट फ्रॉम then the sacrifice has to be made. You cannot
कहीं ना कहीं sacrifice हो जाती है वो.
There's a price for everything.
Absolutely.
What was I saying कि the loneliest place is on top. When you're on top, that's the loneliest place that you can be. Because either you
I don't
can
know
be
how that feels.
But, all right. So growing up,
Yeah.
learning how to write and everything and all
Yeah.
that. I remember पहली दफा जब मैंने Wuthering Heights पढ़ी.
अच्छा.
It was in my course.
आपने वो किताब क्यों शुरू उठाई?
नहीं वो
दुनिया
हमारी
की सबसे इंग्लिश किताब.
जी वो हमारे
मुश्किल
उसमें थी. I was in 5, I think, 5th grade, and I had to read Wuthering Heights. But I remember it opening that side कि okay, wow.
Yeah.
मतलब how can you imagine all these things? Because well, आप साइंस किताब पढ़े होते हैं, मैथ्स वगैरह पढ़े होते हैं. But when you read a novel and you discover that power of imagination, and you imagine yourself, Heathcliff.
Still searching for my Heathcliff. Round 2.
When did you discover that visuality?
Oh, I think when I was maybe
Because I read
20
your.
I'm a very visual writer.
Yeah.
That's exactly right. In fact, anyway, when I was 22 or 23, I'm an intensely scent-based person. So my next novel, which is coming out in May of 2027, inshallah, it's in copy edits. It's मैंने लिख ली है, and I even have a title for it, which I haven't shared yet. So maybe I'll share it on my Instagram. But it's a scent-based title. But I'm a very visual person. It's actually how I process things.
Yeah.
अगर
No, I could feel that. Yeah.
It's how yeah.
Especially Mini Apple and the Breezy
Blessings.
Breezy Blessing.
I am so impressed कि इन्होंने मेरी किताब पढ़ी है. मतलब
Listen, that's the least one can do if somebody's giving you your time. I couldn't finish all the stories.
That's okay.
But yeah. So when did you discover that visuality?
I think when I was at college at Wellesley, I experimented. I just wrote, and I remember my professor saying to me that always begin with an image. Begin with an image and then the image expands to build a universe. And so that's, now you are familiar with my writing style, but that is very much how I see the world, and in images.
Okay. Can I be honest?
Yes.
Why? Okay, let's talk about.
Okay.
First of all, the name.
Okay.
Are you enjoying? The first thing that comes to your mind, कि
Yeah.
okay, fine, मतलब कि the spectation, the spectacle and everything
अच्छा.
and all that. कि भाई, are you enjoying? मतलब मजा आ रहा है?
बिल्कुल
मजा आ रहा है? क्योंकि वो
बिल्कुल
आता है,
ये वर्नाक्युलर है ना कि
हाँ, क्योंकि आई नो योर पंजाबी टोन, तो मुझे एकदम वो पंजाबी में आया था, अच्छा हुन मजा आ रहा है, तो इट वाज वेरी sarcasm also, but when I read those two
Yeah.
stories and all that, so mostly it's about power, थोड़ा सा मुझे relationship, but
it's about
loneliness
this-
मुझे ज़्यादा लगी
Oh,
उसमें.
but this can be my therapy session. But you know, podcasts these days are like that.
Yeah,
but
yeah,
actually, Are You Enjoying is the title story. जो last वाली है, it's about a relationship. और उसमें in a very intimate moment,
Yeah.
a guy asks a woman in a bedroom setting, "Are you enjoying?" And so that's where it comes from, the title. But I think my stories have a sense of lostness. My characters are often lost, and that's because I feel like I've been lost for much of my life. And the nice thing about being a writer is that you can write books about being lost, and then you're less lost.
हाँ, it's
But-
like मैं इसलिए इस बात को understand कर सकता हूँ because maybe it's very therapeutic for you when you write.
Very therapeutic.
I find that in my cooking. When I cook,
You cook?
Yeah, I love cooking. So
बट
it's
कढ़ाई
very
फिर?
नहीं बट कढ़ाई भी हो जाए या
कुछ भी.
मतलब पराठे पक रहे हो नहीं, अच्छा नहीं, मैं पराठा बहुत बुरा बनाता हूँ.
अच्छा.
But when I cook, the preparation, the process of
Yeah.
that is very therapeutic for me.
Cooking is very stressful for me.
अच्छा?
मुझे stress होता है.
But you find that in your writing?
Writing में मुझे बहुत you see, and also in writing you're in control, and you're the one telling the story. So you're fashioning you're like, let me tell you a story. तो वो एक act of seduction भी हो जाती है. You're like, come with me, listen to my story. It's fun.
So I wrote a screenplay, film का, और मुझे लगता है कि you're not in control because maybe I'm not a writer. तो मुझे होता है वो शिट, मैंने ये लिख लिया, अब इस कैरेक्टर को मैं इसके साथ किस तरह जोड़ूं. Sometimes नहीं होता कि oh, why did I go there?
But those rabbit holes are actually very creatively very good for you, because by getting lost, you have to fail in the right way in order to get it right in the right way. So when I fail in the right way, I know that उधर से कहीं ना कहीं कोई generative सी चीज़ निकल आती है. आप मुझे I can 100% relate to this. आप एक रैबिट होल के अंदर चले गए हो कि ये but बिल्कुल वो गलत था, आपकी कहानी कहीं और है, पर उधर जाके आपको अपनी कहानी के बारे में बहुत कुछ पता चल जाता है. और वो जो एक्स्ट्रा राइटिंग हो जाती है, जो किरदार बिल्डिंग होती है, उससे आपका it adds a lot of richness to your. It's by getting lost that you find your way, essentially. Anyway.
How hard are you on yourself? Okay, a lot.
No, but I think I am now less hard on myself because I'm actually doing deep work in my life. अब मैं shitty काम नहीं कर रही जो मुझे मेरे नज़दीक shitty है, because I don't want to do that anymore. I'm too old for that. So I'm actually doing deep work, and I have a novel coming out next year, and I'm also, I don't know if I should say this, but I think I might as well. नज़र शज़र मतलब मैंने लिख तो लिया है, so it's okay. Because मुझे लगता है कि काम के बारे में बात नहीं करनी चाहिए, काम करना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल.
तो मैंने एक बट साहब स्क्रीन प्ले लिखा है, and I'm writing it because I'm on the second draft, and that's what I'm doing now. It's taking up all my days.
Something tells me it's not going to be comedy.
No, there is comedy in it. Of course, तरस रही हूँ मैं comedy करने के लिए. Psychological realism भी है और comedy भी है.
Okay.
Yeah.
Short story or like a proper film?
No, I'm writing a feature film.
Ooh,
Yeah.
nice. अगर आपको पंजाबी किस्म में जरूरत हो तो
पता
please,
था.
I would love to audition.
But you know, it's really my sensibility. It's my sensibility, because I was like, यार अब जो लोग माशाल्लाह से हमारी स्क्रिप्ट्स लिखते हैं, other than a few people like B. Gul, and you know, I want to do work that I'm excited about, that lights me up, that's boundary pushing. And you know, my agent said to me, I called her up, मैं इस चक्कर में फंस गई कि अब मुझे co-write करना है किसी के साथ. You know, when you're overwhelmed by something, a big project that you're doing, तो आप डरते हो, तो आप कहते हो कि नहीं, co-writer ले आती हूँ, आप avoid करते हो all the ways in which you ultimately.
Yeah.
So I called up
Make
my
it
agent.
easy for yourself.
Exactly. No, so I called up my agent. I was like, Melanie, I want to co-write a screenplay, and she's American, and she's really like, जो उनके मुंह पे होता है वो बोल देती हैं. She's much older. She was like, Mira, you're an actress, you're a writer, go write the screenplay, and you're funny. Go write the screenplay. Okay, I gotta go. Bye. I was like, मैं इटली में खड़ी हुई थी, आई वाज लाइक, मुझे पता था कि मुझे खुद करना है, मैंने फ़ोन रखा ना, आई वाज लाइक जाओ और ये करो, और मैंने फिर किया आपकी तरह, कहीं इधर चली गई कहीं उधर चली गई, सारे क्यू कार्ड्स बिछाए इस किस्म के डेस्क पे, वो सारा किया, and अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह I'm on my second draft.
Oh. So when are we going to see that in production?
I have to raise money for it and वो
हम टीवी
नहीं उनके बस की बात नहीं है ये it will be my personal thing.
अच्छा.
And I'm gonna yeah I'm not
I'm going to look forward to that. Let's talk about the Punjabi.
anyone
in you,
to
the
boss me around.
Punjabi girl.
हाँ जी,
ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਹੈ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਗਰਲ ਦਾ?
बस अच्छा लगता है कि जब पंजाबी मुंडिया नाल गल
थोड़ा सा हम
करके।
इंटरव्यू यहाँ पंजाबी में शिफ्ट करने लगे बिकॉज ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਅਗਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਿ ਮੀਰਾ ਨੇ ਇੱਕ ਬੜਾ ਅੱਛਾ ਕੈਰੈਕਟਰ ਹੋਣਾ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ ਜਿੰਦਾ ਹਮ ਟੀਵੀ ਤੇ ਨੰਨੀ ਜੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਝਲਕ ਵੇਖੀ ਹੋਏਗੀ। ਝਲਕ ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਆਇਆ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਸਾਡਾ ਪੁਰਾਣਾ ਡਰਾਮਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਸੀ ਸੋਨਾ ਚਾਂਦੀ। ਮੋਰੂ ਆਈ ਥਿੰਕ ਯੂ ਬ੍ਰਿਲੀਅੰਟ, ਯੂ ਸ਼ੁੱਡ ਐਕਟ ਮੋਰ। ਮਗਰ ਮੋਰੂ ਤੇ ਮੀਰਾ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਰੋਲ ਹੈਗਾ ਸੀ ਨਾ, ਕੀ ਨਾਂ ਹੈਗਾ ਸੀ ਉਹਦਾ? ਬੇਬੀ ਬੈਦੀ ਯਾ ਓਕੇ।
ਉਹ ਮੈਂ ਆਪੇ
ਪਹਿਲੇ ਤਾਂ ਦੱਸੋ ਟੋਨ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਆਈ?
ਬੜਾ ਅੱਛਾ ਸਵਾਲ ਹੈ। ਇਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾ ਘਰ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸੀ ਇੱਕ ਬੁਸ਼ਰਾ, ਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕਿਹਾ ਕੁਛ ਚੋਰੀ ਮੋਰੀ ਹੋ ਗਈ, ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਬੁਸ਼ਰਾ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਗਏ ਹੈ ਓਲਿਵ, ਤੇ ਉਹਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਹਾਏ ਬੀਬੀ ਜੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਸ਼ੌਕ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ। तो उधर से फिर मैंने पकड़ा ये।
ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਐਡਾ ਪਿਆਰਾ ਲੱਗਿਆ। ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਯਾਰ ਇਹ ਸਾਡਾ ਸੋਨਾ ਚਾਂਦੀ ਬੰਦਾ ਸੀ।
She's like my alter ego.
She needs to
She's
come
me. She's inside me.
No, she needs to come out. मैं हैरान हूँ कि हम टीवी ने इस चीज को क्यों नहीं किया कि भाई एक सोना चांदी वो दैट पंजाबी गर्ल एंड दैट
जिन्होंने
उनकी स्टोरी
जिन्होंने देखा उनको बहुत मजा आया, but I think I don't think the show did well because the show was a bit weak.
हाँ मगर शो अगर आपका कैरेक्टर अच्छा आ जाता है,
I swear I want to do more with her. I want to
start doing shorts with मोरू के साथ बना के just do a mini
podcast ना कर लूँ उसकी आवाज में।
That'd be great.
Just as her.
Do like a lifestyle podcast. But I think that character is big.
Thank you.
You should take it to.
My mother says the same thing to me. She's like, तुमने वो एक छोटी सी skit की थी, it's called The Olive Jar, अगर आप देखना चाहें 1 मिनट की है। She's like, तुम कॉमेडी इतना अच्छा करती हो, तुम क्या किताबों में मैं फंस गई, किताबों में मैं करूँगी।
Writing takes a lot because उसके बाद mentally.
और आपको बट साहब मैं एक बात बताऊँ, और आप भी नाजरीन ये सुने बात को, for every one person who reads Are You Enjoying and inshallah the new one, 10,000 people watch my show. That's the ratio.
Yeah.
One person reads my book, 10,000 people watch my show. और मैं वक्त कहाँ दे रही हूँ, मर रही हूँ ये किताबें लिख के। Are You Enjoying took me 6 years to write. This one took me 2 years because I had all the juice in me. But where everybody wants to watch TV. People want to watch YouTube. People want to watch visual stuff. Nobody wants to think.
I want to watch the American, Punjabi. You have that American also in that. That's nice. I think writing is a very personal choice. अगर एक आपकी personal satisfaction भी होती है. I mean, I discovered podcast to be very fulfilling for me.
It's so fun.
मतलब because वो नहीं होता क्योंकि आप कॉमेडी शोज कर रहे हैं and all that और फिर एकदम आपकी डिक्टेशन कुछ और हो रही होती है.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
So I was like done with that. But
वैसे hosting अभी भी करते हैं आप?
हाँ, that I love.
Whenever anybody needs a host, they ask you.
I think that's the closest to theatre I can get because I grew up on theatre. मेरी training theatre वाली है. Zain ko I met through theatre. Wase I met through theatre. Fawad I met through that. So that's everybody I met through that. And वो जब आप stage पे आते हैं तो that's the closest you can get to that.
Totally.
So I just love
Come
that.
alive.
Yeah.
Is Azan नाम है ना आपके बेटे का?
Yeah,
माशाल्लाह. Does he have the bug, the कीड़ा?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I made sure of that.
Yeah, of course.
So when Fatma was pregnant,
Yeah.
I used to do like तो कहती क्या कहते मैं कहता हूँ मैडम कहती बेटे बेसुरा हो जाए बिताला ना होए लय में होना चाहिए
सदके
कहती कि जो हार्ट बीट है ना तो ही इज इन सिंक माशाल्लाह ही इज वेरी सुरीला
अच्छा
so I saw Michael with him
okay
I took him to see Michael and now he's into Michael Jackson
and then how old is he
he's mashallah 11 now
अच्छा sweet baby
तो अभी वो जरा अभी उसका when we were doing the podcast अजान कॉल उसका दांत टूटा हुआ था तो क्या पापा मैंने संभाल लिया मैं कहा भाई
उसने संभाल लिया उसको कुछ चाहिए भी होगा पैसे देने पहन के
बिल्कुल पाजी ready for some tough questions
okay
that became very public in your personal life That's
did
the
it?
price. Well, I mean, obviously, baat hai, you got married, everything.
Yes, it was on
and
social
all that
media.
and all, social media.
Yeah.
But what I understand is, I think rather to be in a compromising relationship, it's better to move on
जी.
and be easier in each other. But हमारा media, but then they have a field day with that.
Oh, they did. मैंने actually कुछ नहीं देखा because I have been in a kind of in an internal space the last few years.
Which is good.
And
अच्छी बात है.
I didn't actually, I never Googled myself because you know, when you grow up with parents who are public facing, my default was a family that's public facing. So I don't have any interest in, well, maybe I'm exaggerating a little bit, but I don't Google myself. I don't ever watch. So I didn't see any of that. Other than when people tag me, then I see it.
Yeah.
Then I see it.
But it's hard to get away from all that.
It is tough, especially when you're a woman in the public eye. And
Yeah.
100%.
हमारे माशरे में होता है वो तो स्टिग्मा तो लगता ही लगता
जी
है
लगता है.
But I can understand that. But my question was, having said that relationship part, and you mostly write about relationships a lot.
I do.
What is the one thing that you took away from that?
From the failure?
I wouldn't call it failure. I think failure is a very harsh term.
Well, it did technically fail, but that's nice.
Okay, chalo.
I like that. I
do
like
you
that
think?
you would not call it. So is the question, what did I learn?
Yeah, I saw it as a learning curve.
Yeah. No, I mean, I appreciate that. Wow. Okay. So I think, trust your gut. I think what a lot of women do is, I'm just speaking on
Yeah, yeah.
behalf of myself and a lot of friends who have shared stuff. I think what a lot of women do is that we override our gut instinct because a human being is not an island. I am who I am in relation to who you are. Today I am in conversation with you, therefore I am your guest, you are my interlocutor. So I think what happens is that when you're in a part of society, you are who you are, but आपका जो individualism होता है वो दबता चला जाता है according to the reactions you receive and how society perceives you and what you think is expected of you, stuff we were talking about earlier. To cut a very long story short, I think a lot of women override their gut. So the first thing I learned was don't listen to your gut. Second thing is don't shapeshift for anyone, whether it's a man or a boyfriend or a husband or a boss and I think, people, if you really like someone, you shapeshift for them and that's not necessarily a great thing. So those were my two key takeaways. I also had fun and I grew a lot and I did things I would never have done. It's nice that I'm able to actually say this now that it's been a few years. But those are my two takeaways. कि shape shift नहीं करना किसी आदमी के
मगर
लिए.
हमारे यहाँ expect भी तो बहुत ज़्यादा होता है ना कि it's the woman who always have to compromise. मतलब that's expected. कि भाई अच्छा because she's changing the house, वो एक
Interesting.
अपना घर छोड़ के दूसरे घर में आ
जी,
गई तो
बिल्कुल.
she's supposed to, that is expected.
हाँ, so कहते हैं ना हमारी लैंग्वेज में कहते हैं adjust.
Adjust.
Adjust नहीं कर दी पिकुड़ी. देखो ना.
Looking back, do you think there was a pressure on you to get married at that time or
Not at all.
were you mentally prepared for
I
that?
was very much an adult, and in fact, I got married in our culture slightly late in life. And you see, the reason then there was a lot of shame attached to it was because it was entirely my own decision. So वो होता है ना जब माँ बाप आपकी करा देते हैं, and then it's kind of, but
Yeah,
there was
someone to
none.
blame.
I had no one to blame but myself. And blame is also, it's a strong word, but no, I went into it quite happily with a lot of idealism, with a spring in my step. And I really, now that I'm on the other side of it and older, I think, I wonder if I'll ever have that idealism back, I don't know if you ever spoke to your mom about this, because you said,
many times.
अच्छा,
Yeah.
हाँ, तो वो एक idealism होता है. I don't know
Why
if
do you think I understand women so well? I grew up around very strong of them.
yeah.
The strongest of them.
Yes, the best generation and the strongest bloodline in that way.
True.
Yeah.
So, but then I can understand the other side also because हमारे माशरे के अंदर I personally believe the amount of sacrifices that are made from a woman's point of view. मर्दों की, yes, being a father and all that,
जी.
I understand the providing and everything. बट इट्स ऑलवेज एक्सपेक्टेड. मतलब एक चीज होती है ना कि आप किसी से आस्क करें कि अच्छा यार डू दिस फॉर मी एंड ऑल दैट. जब आप नहीं कहते और आप कहते हैं भाई ये तुमने क्यों नहीं किया, ये तो तुम्हारा फर्ज था. वो आइडियोलॉजी जो है ना उसकी वजह से देयर इज a lot of times you end up on the wrong side of things because you are expecting it to happen. So like you were expected to make that changes and all that. So that's why I ask you, what did you take away from that?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So let's move on to some.
But मेरी situation में बट सब फर्ज वाला नहीं था because वो भी
Yeah. Like you said,
he's quite an independent person.
I was prepared
very
for that. And I
liberated.
took
He's
it.
a very liberated, cool guy in that way. But I think it was more like sort of vision for life, lifestyle choices. You know.
Yeah. Which brings me to my next question.
जी.
You're a writer.
अच्छा ये हमने फिर साबित नहीं किया.
कर दिया. Do you respect the writer or do you respect the person?
What do you mean by that?
Do you respect the craft or do you respect the person? Can you separate them both?
Oh, I think I know where this is going. I have a feeling I know where this is going. Okay. I think that's a really tough question. I can respect the craft,
Okay.
but if the individual behind the craft is
Should it
causing
matter?
pain, no, if they're causing pain, then there has to be, you have to separate the art from the artist. But there have been a lot of people in the history of literature, in the East, in the West, who have been problematic people.
Yeah.
And I mean, I have a lot of issues. I have a lot of issues. Allah na kare.
Let's talk about Freud.
Allah na kare I inflict pain on anyone. But हमारे ecosystem में ऐसे लोग भी हैं who are a bit. Their craft, although their craft is also deteriorated, but their craft used to be. Their
There are
craft
so
used to
many
be.
multiple personalities that are coming out. There's Mary Poppins that pops up, and there's that American girl.
Yeah.
I mean, you have a lot of shades in you, man. Can we stick to?
Okay, serious हो जाऊं.
No, seriously, I love when you shift that. But
Yeah.
what I'm trying to say is,
जी.
okay, you said, okay, I can separate the art from the artist.
Yeah, provided the artist is not causing pain, I can.
Pain to who?
Pain to society, to people, to if they're not trafficking in cliches about people that are harmful, stuff like that.
But don't you think all the great writers, अगर आप जितने भी मर्जी उठा के देख लें, फ्रॉइड से चलें आप,
ठीक है.
बात करें ना, आगे लेके जाते हैं हम
जी.
लोग सारे. They've always been problematic.
हाँ, so I mean, उनको कहते हैं art monsters. So an art monster is somebody who is vain, narcissistic, writes quite well or acts quite well, but they're a bit of a monster in their private life. So there are a lot of history is littered with art monsters.
Yeah.
So ठीक है, I mean, you have to have a view of them. Some get away with it, and some you should hold accountable. ये बहुत पेचीदा गुफ्तगू है भट्ट साहब.
नहीं है.
हाँ.
But that's why I'm picking your brain on
Yeah.
it, because हम लोग पब्लिक में आपके रिव्यू सुनते रहते हैं,
जी.
आपका बयान आया
जी.
बट मैं उसकी आइडियोलॉजी पहले समझना चाह रहा हूँ कि ओके फाइन कि you have a certain problem with someone because of their actions.
जी.
ठीक है ना?
जी.
But not because of their art. मतलब you still hold their art to some value.
अगर अच्छी हो, बिल्कुल.
Yeah.
अगर अच्छी हो तो जी.
I mean, okay, fine. Let me ask you this.
Okay.
Hence, this person,
जी.
वो अगर अपनी personal life में ना वो हो,
जी.
you would have still done Manto.
नहीं अच्छा उनकी पर्सनल लाइफ का मेरा कोई इशू नहीं है that's not my business.
Yeah.
It's that the stuff they say, I mean it's the stuff they say which in a society like ours where people already assume women to be guilty without if you wear jeans बहुत मतलब he traffics in these stereotypes about women, says things about women that I just think are really, they're not just lazy, but also they're deeply problematic. So I thought to myself, कि अगर मैं, and it was going to be a lead role. मुझे जो,
It was a very good role.
But
actually.
I mean, did it even do well? I don't know. But anyway, I just didn't want to be associated with something like that. And I hope that he changes. I hope that his children, who seem to be quite cool, they're young, they're Gen Z, I hope they advise him कि आप थोड़ा, just be part of this new,
Yeah.
just expand your.
No, that's why I wanted. मैं चाहता at least इस चीज को हम लोग जरा थोड़ा सा clear वगैरह करें.
हाँ, मैंने clear वैसे पहले भी किया हुआ है, but.
That's why I ask, do you respect the art?
I mean, I respect Digest Writer, the drama serial. Do I respect the artist?
वो हमें पता है
हाँ वो पता है।
और सानू पता है बिल्कुल।
ठीक है फिर तुसी मजीद पूछी जा रहे हो हैं।
सोशल मीडिया आपके लिए क्या मीनिंग रखता है?
I don't like Twitter. I was on it a decade ago. I find that it is social media should be a means to an end. It has become an end in itself. And I don't like it. I do spend a lot of time on Instagram. I probably have an Instagram addiction like everyone else. But I don't like Twitter. I also don't like expressing my views on. But tasveerein chढ़ाना उसमें मुझे मजा आता है.
हाँ, because when you write something ना, the problem with writing is, अब मैंने लिखा she was looking fine, ठीक है ना? अब एकदम मैंने जब उसको रीड किया ना, she was looking fine.
Yeah.
तो एकदम मैंने अपनी
heard
आवाज
it
में
like
पढ़ी.
that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
अब मैंने लिखा she was looking fine. The problem with writing is कि when I write it, I'm always going to perceive it in my tone, not in yours tone.
Exactly. That's also the beauty of it, na? Okay, once you write something, matlab, then it
Yeah,
becomes
exactly.
you unleash it into the world.
But then it can backfire also.
हाँ,
So
of
इसलिए ये होता है
course.
कि इसलिए I don't write much. मैं सिर्फ पोस्ट लगाता हूँ, मैं AI से अपने कार्टून्स वगैरह बना करके
कार्टून्स लगाते हैं आप?
Cartoons
अच्छा, ओके. आजकल तो
So-
सब AI यूज कर रहे हैं.
I find it very, देखें, there's a whole
Very
debate.
what?
I find it very creative.
Okay.
I find it very fun.
हाँ.
Hence use the right way.
Yeah.
मुझे अभी भी लगता है क्योंकि पंजाब में अभी फिल्म सिटी लॉन्च हुई
जी,
and
जी.
all that. So, by the way, what are your views on the film city coming in?
I mean, I haven't thought about it at all. I think it's very good that they're investing in it. I think they should not censor people. I hope they won't. I hope करें. पाकिस्तान की soft image, soft power के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. करें, बना के दिखाएं, फिर देखेंगे.
लेकिन ना लोगों को पैसे दिए हैं.
अच्छा.
पंजाब गवर्नमेंट ने they've distributed 20-25 लोगों को 3-3 करोड़ रुपए मिल चुका हुआ
Oh, wow.
कि फिल्म बनाएं अब आपके पास 1.5 साल है. अब जो आप कहते थे ना कि नहीं जी हमें हुकूमत नहीं साढ़े लिए कुछ कर देती, हुन हुकूमत पैसे देते हैं, हुन करके दिखाओ.
देखते हैं फिर.
That's going to filter a lot of things also.
हाँ, but I think censorship नहीं होनी चाहिए आर्ट्स में. I think लोगों को, you know, should let people play.
Okay,
anyway.
define censorship. What do you think is? I'm
I'm-
sure when you write, there's a censor.
I mean,
there's
but
a
I
moral
obviously
censor
don't
that's
want to be
coming.
honored. I don't want to be killed or any. I don't want to be assassinated. But beyond that, I do push boundaries. You read Are You Enjoying? There are stories about desire, sexuality, whatever. And my new novel is also pushing boundaries. And I think artists should be bold because. But then what's the point? What's the difference between me and AI? What's the difference between me and some shitty book that somebody जिसने डर के लिखी है? अगर आपने इतना टाइम गुजारा है एक चीज़ करते हुए, जिस तरह कि मैंने 6 साल उस पर लगाए, इस पे 2 साल लगाए हैं, and I've been in a writing hole writing this book, then make it, then be brave. And you know, that is what moves people, is when you say what you mean and you say it in a obviously in an andaz that's beautiful or whatever. But I think artist को bold होना चाहिए.
Okay, how do you differentiate between being bold and being
A provocateur.
provocateur? Yeah, there'll be because they can. I think अगर मैं अपनी कॉमेडी की बात करूँ, मैं स्टेज पे अगर स्टैंड अप खड़ा हूँ and I think the easiest way to do it कि आप गाली देना शुरू कर दें. I think that's the dumbest thing that you can do on stage because that's the easiest laugh that you can generate. Because ha गाली देती ठाक करके चलो जी laughter आ गया. But then where's your creativity? Where's do you push कि okay I want to make this person
Exactly.
laugh.
Yeah.
But then there's a censor thing that आपका एक अपना भी चल रहा होता है कि okay
बिल्कुल.
नहीं यार this is my no go because that's not my belief or that's not my ideology where I'm coming from. I understand that being bold is very courageous.
And I don't mean bold के sleeveless. I mean bold के vision में bold हो.
wait, I want to understand that I'm sure there is a censor in you also. Okay,
I'm sure.
यार, this is I'm not going to go down that line
course.
because just to get cheap views.
No, for me it's not about cheap views. For me it's about I grew up in this country. मैं इस माशरे का हिस्सा हूँ. मुझे पता है अभी देखा मेरे बर्गर बन गई थी. मुझे पता है इस माशरे की red lines क्या हैं. और मुझे I've internalized those red lines. Ask any woman, men also, you know. We've internalized those red lines so deeply that उसका खौफ रहता है. So I know what my red lines are, but I also, you know, I'm a playful person. I want to push boundaries, and yeah. So anyway, and I think you shouldn't provoke people for the sake of provoking them, but write what you want to write. जब मैं पहली ड्राफ्ट लिखती हूँ वो पहली ड्राफ्ट एक उल्टी होती है. अब फिर उस वोमिटेरियम में मैं चीज़ें ढूंढती हूँ कि अच्छा ये मैं इसको ले सकती हूँ, ये ठीक है, ये जुमला अच्छा है, फिर जाके वो चीज़ बनती है, फिर आप पकाते हो. But initially in the first draft you're shoveling sand. The castle gets built much later, but when you're shoveling sand, then just shovel the sand. Don't second guess yourself. Just do it. And then once you have the uncensored version, उसमें से फिर आप देखो कि हाँ, this could really get me into trouble, or like this is really pushing it. But you know, I think that's actually a gift that my parents have given me, which is do the thing, deal with the consequences.
So you've been part of the entertainment industry.
Yeah.
Acting भी अभी आपने करना शुरू की and all that.
अभी तो नहीं बट साहब, मतलब it's been a minute. चले.
It's been a minute.
It's been a minute, yeah.
But I think you still have a lot more acting to do.
I do.
But having said that, वो जो कराची की एक हम लोगों ने इंडस्ट्री आपने देखी है, ड्रामा इंडस्ट्री और प्रोडक्शन हाउसेज,
जी,
हमारे ड्रामे इंडिया में बहुत ज़्यादा देखे जाते हैं. हमारे ड्रामे पूरे
डॉक्टर बहू बहुत देखा जा रहा है इंडिया में.
Might not be your cup of tea, but उसकी एक बहुत बड़ी ऑडियंस है.
नहीं, why is it? I'm part of the industry. It is my cup of tea.
नहीं, मतलब राइटिंग स्टाइल से तो नहीं है ना.
Oh,
so if given a choice कि अच्छा यार कोई सीरियल लिखो and all that, I'm not expecting you to write a सास बहू thing.
That's because मेरी उर्दू में वो एक रवानी नहीं है. वरना अगर अंग्रेजी में आप मुझसे लिखवाना चाहें मुझे बहुत सारे पैसे देकर, तो मैं लिख सकती हूँ.
So where do you see the industry going right
So it's really good. But I think, Batsab, we are going through a bit of a, like the 80s, late 70s even, a golden age. We're going through the golden age of Pakistani television again. मैं अपनी सहेली को ये कल कह रही थी, because now आप देखें वो साइबर क्राइम पे बीगुल ने जो लिखा, डॉक्टर बहू पे सनम मेहदी ने जिसका मैं हिस्सा हूँ, उन्होंने एक टॉक्सिक abusive sort of household के बारे में लिखा है, which is run by one man and his megalomania. There are so many issues based dramas that are now happening, and I'm not just talking about issues based. हमारी एक नज़ाकत है हमारे अंदाज में कहानी बताने की, इसलिए इंडिया में इतना पसंद किया जाता है, बिकॉज वो नज़ाकत इंडिया में अब नहीं रही. आई डोंट नो इफ यू एग्री.
हाँ, वो खत्म हो
वो जिस तरह हम बात करते हैं, एक यू नो देयर इज अ काइंड ऑफ ओल्ड स्कूल चार्म. आई एम अ बिग फैन ऑफ आवर ड्रामास. आई जस्ट थिंक वो जो टॉक्सिक वाले हैं, वो जो अर्ली 2000s में चल रहे थे ना, अ वुमन फॉल्सली अक्यूजिंग अ मैन ऑफ रेप, एंड दे सैडली सम ऑफ दोस डिड रियली वेल. वी हैव वो खत्म हो गए हैं. आई डोंट नो इफ यू हैव सीन दिस, इफ यू एग्री विद मी, पर मुझे लग रहा है एक नई एज में हम आ गए हैं.
अच्छा, मैं ना शायद इंडियन कंटेंट कम कंज्यूम करता हूँ. मुझे मतलब इस मेन स्ट्रीम तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं. हाँ, इक्का दुक्का मुझे कोई आर्ट फिल्म अच्छी लगेगी, कोई पैरेलल फिल्म आई है, देख ली है, दिस एंड दैट. बट आई थिंक आई एंजॉय, I really enjoyed Kabuli Pulao.
Exactly.
It was like so groundbreaking at that time. तो मुझे, I think हमारी writing is like
Zafar Miraj साहब, right? Superb. He also wrote this drama serial I was in. उस दिन उस वक्त उन्होंने हमारा वो बंद कर दिया because आमिर लियाकत का मरहूम आमिर लियाकत का शो हुआ करता था. Anyway, बहुत कमाल के writer.
So I think हमारे पास writers, the backbone of our the drama industry is the writing.
Totally agree, and the women are writing superb stuff, and the production houses are run by women. The stories are about women. It's very cool.
So where do you see the awards? Do you agree with the award system that we have?
I have not thought about it at all. I do think that
host तो किए हुए हैं.
Host आपके साथ भी hosting में बहुत मजे आए हुए हमें. I think लोगों के favorites होते हैं. I think होते हैं, and especially if somebody is young and they have star potential, then the powers that be sitting behind the voting process promote them. And I think some people get lucky, some people make it, and yeah, it's not always, I don't know, I think जो क्या कहते हैं, पॉपुलर वोट वाला फेयर होता होगा. हाँ, बट जूरी वो जो
जूरी एक अवार्ड और एक क्रिटिक चॉइस अवार्ड,
क्रिटिक्स चॉइस, और वो जो अंदर बैठ के वो जो आपाएं देती हैं अवार्ड्स, और जो आई थिंक दोज आर वेरी sort of they've pre-decided who's gonna get it and who has star potential.
I still think we need awards.
नहीं तो awards are great. I think और होने चाहिए.
I think होने चाहिए.
I think और होने चाहिए. Yeah.
I 100% support awards.
Yeah. And it's fun, you know, it's fun. आप तो इतनी skits भी करते हैं. Do you enjoy them? Or has it become more like?
Well, I've been vocal about that also.
Oh,
I
okay.
think Lux ने बीच में अपनी charm lose कर दी है, because एक time पे Lux used to be so daring.
Really?
मतलब Faria used to say, हाँ ये करो, वो करो, हाँ ये करो. फिर एकदम आना शुरू हो गया, नहीं मजाक ना उड़ाएं.
हाँ.
फिर एकदम आना शुरू हो गया, नहीं आप ये ना करें. मैं कहा यार आप फिर hosting क्यों करवा रहे हैं? I mean, if everybody is going to be offended,
Yeah.
मतलब might as well सिर्फ कह दें कि winners are ठक दे दें खत्म बात. तो what's the point of having a host?
अगर आपने लोगों को हंसाना नहीं है, अगर आपने कोई फनी एग्जैक्टली
तो वो वही ना, that's why I think वो जो एक ब्रांड के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से वो बेचारे इतने फट्टू हो गए हैं
टोटली यू नो बट साहब व्हेन यू लुक एट हॉलीवुड वो इतना मजाक उड़ाते हैं अपनों का इतना करते हैं. आई मीन आई कांट से ऑल ऑफ दोज थिंग्स ऑन दिस फैमिली शो बट इट्स
फैमिली शो
but they're really they go all out.
Yeah, they do.
And it's Leonardo
But I think
DiCaprio
it's very easy to target comedians. वो होता है ना कि oh I'm offended. तो मैं क्या फिर तो होने ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬੱਬੂ ਬਰਾਲ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਉਹਨੇ ਸਟੇਜ ਤੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਤਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਦੇ offending ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ.
कैंसिल कल्चर थोड़ा सा कम हुआ है वैसे आपने नोटिस किया. कैंसिल कल्चर हैज गॉन.
लोगों को भी अब हो गया कि अच्छा हाँ ठीक है ओके फाइन ਅਸੀਂ ਵੇਖਣਾ है.
एंड आई हैव आल्सो चेंज्ड इन दिस रिस्पेक्ट. कैन आई जस्ट शेयर? आई थिंक सबसे बात करनी चाहिए. ये मेरा अपना मेरे बुढ़ापे का तजर्बा है कि सबसे बात करो बिकॉज ये अपने साइलोज में मत रहो. अपने छोटे छोटे ये नहीं करना. सबसे बात करो.
Okay, now you're going to enjoy the next segment. Excuse me के सवाल.
Oh dear.
Ready?
Oh dear. Okay, I didn't even know you had this segment.
हैं? यार क्या मतलब है? मैंने अगर तुम्हारी किताब पढ़ी है, the least you could have done is watch the podcast.
मैं रील्स देखती हूँ 20-20 सेकंड की.
AI show me Meera Sethi book reels. I'm sorry, there are none. Oh, rare. You'll be surprised that my son was born in London.
I am.
So that's why whenever we talk, the T's have to be there.
For a Pakistani, that is actually really good.
Thank you. I'm well read.
I didn't think you'd be able to pull it off.
Oh God!
I really didn't.
That's what she said.
Family.
This is going somewhere else.
Family share.
All
like
right.
I said. Okay.
Is ready for excuse me?
Okay. What is excuse me?
I'm going to ask you a series of questions.
Okay.
If you don't agree with them, just answer.
Okay.
Okay. एक चीज जो मीरा सेठी कभी नहीं करेगी.
Drama serial by somebody who I really don't respect.
Writer, director, could be anyone.
Mostly it's the writer.
Okay. We're not moving on.
Oh dear.
Forgive and forget. No.
नहीं मैं कौन होती हूँ? मैं तो I'm a cog in a very big machine.
Right. एक चीज जो मैं ट्राई करना चाहती हूँ.
I want to write a screenplay and I want to push boundaries in a fun way.
Fun. Define fun.
Define
no,
fun.
No.
Romance and identity
Achha,
stuff.
एक प्ले जो काश मैंने लिखा होता.
Oh, what a great question. राहत काज़मी वाला धूप किनारे.
Ooh.
I had such a crush on Rahat Saab in that. Oof.
Sir.
What a play.
Yeah. एक role that I would love to play.
I'm writing it for myself at long last. That's the one I'm writing. अब मुझे अब हो रहा है, एंग्जाइटी हो रही है कि अब अपनी एक चीज़ के बारे में नहीं बात करनी चाहिए. ठीक है.
एक अपनी आदत जो मुझे जहर लगती है.
Impatience बहुत सारी हैं, बताऊं? Impatience. Sometimes I can be a bit lazy on, like I can just be a bit lazy. Sometimes there's a lot of fear in me and I try and fight it. But like I can be quite fearful sometimes of like being in situations where if I don't agree with someone, like that kind of thing. Yeah, I think those are 3 things.
Okay. Thank you for controlling yourself. Because you were about to get carried away, but
Isn't that the whole point of a podcast? Is to get carried away.
Oh yeah, एक चीज जो काश मुझे पहले मालूम होती.
That nobody's coming to rescue you.
Oh wow.
And you are entirely responsible for your choices, your mistakes, your successes. It's all on you, baby. The sooner you learn that, the better.
One thing I always wanted to tell my father.
Oh, that he's a brave man, and that I love him. He knows that, and I love kissing his scalp, and that he's been a great dad.
One thing that I want my mother to change.
Ooh. I think Ammi should exercise. It's very good for her. Aajkal swimming जा रही है. I think that would be very lovely for her. I think she should take time off. She has a very hectic life. She is she's a strong lady who's always doing stuff. अपनी मेरी अम्मी से बात करें तो वो फ़ोन पे होती हैं. She's got a lot going on. So I want her to take some time off.
Okay. One thing that I learned from my brother.
The art of perfection and having impossible standards.
Yes, मतलब अब मुझे कोई कहता नहीं यार तुमने अली से मैं
Yeah,
कभी when you reach perfection you're like yeah I'm sick and tired of him being perfect all the time.
He's
really improved. Like
I mean also but
seriously
his standard for himself and I think that's something that I've learned. Standard for अपना आपका अपने आप के लिए क्या standard है?
Yeah.
That's the question.
But then वही वाली बात है ना you have to be mad.
You have to be mad. थोड़ा सा पागलपना होना चाहिए आप में.
I can understand.
Yeah.
Okay, एक चीज जो मैं रीडू करना चाहूँगी अपनी जिंदगी की.
ला एक चीज. Actually nothing because I think Ali asked me this. He said, Meers, do you regret anything you've done in your life? He asked me this about 2 weeks ago and I said no and he said, wow. And I don't because I've learned so much from everything. I've had such amazing experiences और जो नहीं भी amazing थे, there's always a lesson. And whether वो आप उसको metabolize करें art के ज़रिए, आप उससे आप therapy पे चले जाएं, आप I don't regret anything. Touch wood.
Oh, that's good. Okay, एक co-star जिसे मैंने सीखा.
फन के बारे में या दुनिया के बारे में?
नहीं, चर्च का सिगरेट बना, जाहिरी बात है फन के बारे में.
नहीं, बिकॉज लोग फलसफे भी झाड़ते हैं सेट पे बैठ के.
अच्छा हैं भी वो भी. चलो मैं अगला सवाल ये करूँगा.
I think Adil is a very strong co-actor. I've learned a lot from him about. He's very insistent about what he thinks should happen in a scene, and he gives you a lot of space to perform. And Adil and I have very good chemistry, and I've learned a lot from him.
Adil
Hussain.
Oh, okay.
He's in Dr. Bahu.
Yeah. Okay. One actor that needs fresh mints.
Ooh, I cannot think of a single one.
Sure.
I've never come so close.
अच्छा जी, एक प्रोजेक्ट जो काश मैंने ना किया होता.
Oh, nothing really. You know, I don't know if I want your opinion. The bad stuff nobody remembers. The good stuff people remember. So the bad stuff, jitna bhi aap kar le, nobody will remember.
The bad stuff you remember, na? I remember the bad.
You do?
I've done. Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Because I wasn't enjoying myself, and I know it was a payday.
Yeah.
So might as well do it. So I remember those.
Yeah, I can't think of anything because I think check mila, dostiyan, yaariyan. So I can't really think of anything.
अगर एक law pass करना चाहूँ जो कभी ना change हो, what would that law be?
I think church and state should be separate. And I think that we have a lot going for us as a country, but I think church and state should be separate. I think a multiplicity of identities is beautiful. I think we should let people be. I think we should let people live. I think we should be a plural republic. We can still have our identity. We're very proud of our culture. But that's something that I would love to see happen. I don't think it's going to, but I would love to.
एक biopic that I would love to play.
Mohtarama Benazir Bhutto. I would love to play Benazir Bhutto, and I think I could do it. I mean, if it ever came down to it.
The resemblance is there.
So are you writing it, Batsab?
A Punjabi writing a Bhutto biography, that's going to be tough.
I think permission भी चाहिए ना family से.
I think उनकी अपनी family के अंदर ये मतलब they wanted to write a biopic on Zardari, they couldn't.
Really?
But I think that's one of the saddest things पाकिस्तान के अंदर. मैडम के ऊपर चीज़ बननी चाहिए थी. नुसरत फतेह अली खान साहब पे
बिल्कुल बन रही है.
जहांगीर खान पे बननी चाहिए. भुट्टो पे बननी चाहिए. मतलब there's so many.
भुट्टो सीनियर पे तो बन रही है एक doc feature.
Doc is something else. You see, people are scared of showing the true person जो वो real life में होते हैं. Because जब आप किसी की बायोपिक की बात करते हैं ना, then you have to show the flaws. It cannot be goody two shoes all the way. I mean, then अगर मैडम के ऊपर बनती, then you need to show the sacrifices. You need to show the losses. You need to show her as a person.
You need to show the contradictions and the beauty and all of that.
And that's what people are scared of. Especially the Khandan is scared of that.
बस यही तो है ना खानदान. But there is a way. West में आप देखें इतनी बनती हैं. There's a way of holding it all in a way that the contradictions are also apparent and the charisma is also there. वो बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं.
Okay. अगर मेरे वालिद साहब पे कभी फिल्म बनी तो who you would love to see play him?
मेरी नहीं, but वो एक्टर नहीं है. So I actually can't think of anyone who looks like him in the industry.
No, the younger. मतलब why?
Oh, I see.
सेठी साहब को इस एज में क्यों दिखाना है? सेठी साहब, you're the 70 सेठी.
Cambridge University के graduate.
The swinging सेठी.
Swinging Sethi. Who could play him? I can't think of anyone. Somebody thin and nerdy. Who is thin and nerdy जो ऐनक पहनता है?
I think हो सकता है.
अच्छा अच्छा.
अली रहमान maybe.
No, वो अब्बू का वो फिर वो बहुत वो नहीं.
Okay, fine. All right. अच्छा, so I'm gonna name a few dishes.
Okay.
Lori, it could be any dishes. आपने बताना है कि किस बंदे को आप ये dishes खिलाना चाहेंगे. It can be an actor, it can be a politician, it can be anyone.
Sure.
सबसे पहले मीठा पान.
मीठा पान शेख रशीद को.
शेख रशीद. all the शेख रशीद मीठा पान. Okay.
I feel like he would put it in his mouth in a way that would be interesting.
Not going to go into details.
Yeah,
but
of course.
I'll take your word for
okay.
it. Okay, कढ़ाई, मटन.
वो तो फिर ताड़ नाल खानी पड़ेगी.
डन जी डन. मटन कढ़ाई मेरे.
और पता है मेरी इंस्टाग्राम की बायो पे क्या लिखा होता था? मीरा सेठी. Also, I love मटन कढ़ाई. वो मैंने उतार दिया, but I love मटन कढ़ाई.
तो लाइन है लगे. हलवा पूरी.
हलवा पूरी मेरी जिंदगी में लोग भी हो सकते हैं.
हाँ
या जानने वाले.
Oh, anyone that pops into your mind.
हलवा पूरी I would love to have with my childhood best friend. कपरी की हलवा पूरी 5 AM जोरा के साथ हलवा पूरी खाने जाएं हम.
Okay. नान चने.
नान चने मियाँ साहब नाल खाने चाहिए ने.
ਹੁਣ ਮੀਆਂ ਵੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ 2 ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ. ਖੈਰ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ 3 ਹੈਗੇ ਸੀ. ਮੈਨੂੰ ਉਹ ਚਲਾ ਗਿਆ.
पर समझ ही नहीं आई ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸਮਝ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਈ.
ਓਹ ਮੀਆਂ.
ਅੱਛਾ oh my god.
ਉਹਨਾਂ
ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਵੇਖਦੇ.
ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਜਗਤ ਹੈਗੀ ਸੀ ਮਾਈਕ ਡ੍ਰੌਪ. ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਵੀ ਮੀਆਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ. ਸਾਡਾ ਚਲਾ ਗਿਆ.
But I think
ਹਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ
ਕਿਸੇ
ਕਿਹੜੇ
ਨੇ
ਮੀਆਂ
ਮੀਆਂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਨਾ ਮੀਆਂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ
ਵੱਡੇ ਵਾਲੇ ਮੀਆਂ ਸਾਹਿਬ.
ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਮੀਆਂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਖੋਇਆ ਤੇ ਕੀ ਪਾਇਆ? ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਜੀ ਨਾਨ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਪਾਇਆ ਤੇ ਗਾਜਰ ਦੇ ਹਲਵੇ ਨਾਲ ਖੋਇਆ.
Okay. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ. Sushi.
Sushi I would have with a friend in London. Sushi I would have with my editor. In fact, my editor took me out for sushi, my editor in New York.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gulab jamun.
Gulab jamun I will have with my brother. We'll go and have gulab jamun. That would be fun.
अच्छा.
उसको अली को मीठे का बहुत शौक है.
Oh. Okay. दाल चावल.
दाल चावल मैं कल्ली खावांगी. A steaming bowl of dal chawal that I will have with pyaz and hari mirch on my own when I land in Pakistan after being away for a while.
चिकन कॉर्न सूप सर्दियों वाला.
बुशरा अंसारी साहिबा के साथ.
चिकन कॉर्न सूप.
चिकन कॉर्न सूप.
हाय अल्लाह ये कौन मेरी जान के टूटी मेरी आए. वाह वेरी नाइस. अब आपा ने मुझे इस पे कहना है हाय उल्लू के पठे तूने मेरी नकल उतार दी.
हाँ. उन्होंने वो कहा था ना कि स्लीवलेस पाया दहशतगर्दी तो नहीं की थी. आपा इज द बेस्ट. अल्लाह आपा.
Alright जी, last certainly not the least. Ojri.
Skip honey. Skip.
Have you ever asked your father to have ojri?
No.
Hello, ojri is like OG.
OG.
Oh.
I don't have the constitution for that yet.
Okay. नहीं मगर आप किसी को खिला सकती हैं ojri.
Some really lovely Punjabi producer. वासे के साथ. वासे चौधरी के साथ.
मजे नहीं खाता ojri.
देखा ना.
Yeah. उसका मुंह उजड़ी की जरा.
ये सिर्फ एक बेस्टी कह सकता है.
उससे मुझे गलती नहीं. खैर anyway. All right. Last and not the least, man. What do I want to be remembered as?
Oh, wow, Batsab. How much time do I have?
सवा घंटा.
I would like to be remembered as somebody who was entirely themselves.
But I'm sure you मतलब एक आपका अपना स्टैंडर्ड होता है जो आप अपने दिमाग में रखते हैं कि यार अच्छा दिस इज ये टाइम पे मैंने ये अचीव कर लेना, ये टाइम पे मैंने ये अचीव कर लेना. स्टिल गोइंग ऑन दैट पाथ? मतलब do you
I think कि I don't look at life in terms of achievements. I look at life in terms of authenticity. And I think how you beat competition is by being authentic. I've realized this again as I've grown older, and I just want to be true to myself because that is actually the hardest thing to do. If I could have done many things in life had I wanted to achieve a certain type of success, but I think it's very important to me to be true to who I am and do the things I love. And the interaction, जब ये दोनों Venn diagram में वो जो space है ना Venn diagram में, मैं उधर रहना चाहती हूँ और मैं काम बनाना चाहती हूँ, करना चाहती हूँ, and I want to be remembered as somebody who is true to their spirit.
Inshallah. Definitely, bhai.
And how do you want to be remembered? I want to ask you this.
I'll answer you when you invite me to your show.
Inshallah, कभी show किया तो.
Don't worry.
ठीक है.
Because I'm saving the answer.
You can't top my answer, honey.
But that's a good answer. That's a good answer. Bhaijan, despite of you coming from such a big legacy, I think you have slowly started to carve your own. And inshallah. Slowly. Inshallah, I'm expecting.
अच्छा जी माइक उतार दें प्लीज. मतलब इतना मजा आया थे.
मैंने कहा
चलिए आप फिर से गाएं इसको. हाँ. And but sir, what would you like to be remembered as?
Someone who interviewed Meera Sethi.
Okay.
क्या बात है. What a good answer.
What a great answer, but sir.
Thank you so much. Despite of you coming from such a big legacy, you've created your own now.
Thanks, but sir.
ठीक है ना? And I'm expecting you to act more.
चलो.
ताकि जो 10,000 बंदा जो आपका वेट कर रहा है और जो 2 आपकी बुक के लिए वेट कर रहे हैं उनको आपने थोड़ा सा एंटरटेन करना है on that. So get back into acting, please.
Inshallah.
Bhaijan, thank you so much. I really appreciate you taking time out. I am a fan of you. I think a Punjabi girl needs to come out.
Inshallah.
That needs to be done.
And I have a question, Batsab. If I write a role for you, will you do it? If it's a bit, unique?
Raunchy. I could sense that. I mean, it was like, I was like, yeah, why not?
Okay.
Why not?
Cool. Keep that in mind.
Inshallah. अपना ख्याल रखें, and I'm going to talk to you inshallah within 2 years when you have 2 more books on the plate.
Oh, thank you.
ठीक है जी. भाईजान, थैंक यू सो मच. कमेंट कीजिएगा कि आपको कैसा लगा. इनकी बुक ज़रूर जाके देखिएगा, आप रीड कीजिएगा.
Are you enjoying?
I'm going to finish the next 3 stories also. But please हाथ हौला रखा करें. Everybody has a right to be true to themselves. चाहे जिस तरह उन्होंने कहा कि अगर बोल्ड होना है, अपने आप को चैलेंज करना है and all that. I think it's okay to be who you are as long as you're not compromising on your own principles. अपने आप को खुद उस स्टैंडर्ड के ऊपर रखें ताकि अगला आपको क्वेश्चन ना कर सके. थैंक यू सो मच. अपना ख्याल रखें, पाकिस्तान का ख्याल रखें. पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद.